Good morning, my name is Merly. This is the training number 3. In this opportunity, I am going to create my own information on the system, and also I am going to navigate on platform in order to put in practice that I have learned. Okay, new contact. This is general information, first name, Merly, Tatiana, Chloe, Pineda. Other first name, native first name, the part number 2, my email, sex, date of birthday, this is September 12, number social security, city of birthday, state of birth, country, and marital status. We are going to suppose that I am married with USA citizen. This is Colombian. This is the case. Petition. And other important information that is important to know in order to have real information. That place, suppose that it was in January. Yes. Current immigration status, conditional, legal, company name. This is important information that is necessary to fill. The part number 4 is background check information, ignition, rise, no, parents, my age, and this is the final part, visa bulletin. This is important day or priority day, where the case is going. Okay, this is a priority day to go the case. Add information. Also, you can put a picture. In this case, I'm going to put my picture. This is my picture. And the contact page is created already. And in this page you can add new case or delay, the notes that I can create new calls, tags, actual the picture to modify the portal of the client, to check all the information about the person, the address. You can add or edit address or phones, and you can check all information that the client provided you previously. Okay, in this moment I realize that I have a pending calls, but yesterday I called Bastian back, so I am going to mark as a complaint because I have already called him, and I can add an information that the call or the information is done. Add and mark as complete. See, the status is complete. Okay, now I don't have calls. Okay, I would like to show you another part of the calendar. In this case, you can change the color that you prefer. Okay, I create a recordatory for today. You can see that my recordatory is pick up my son in this moment, so the calendar is record me that I need to go. Recordatory is a different than an appointment. Okay, you can see that my appointment is for tomorrow, and this is my color. For this reason, I know that is my appointment. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much and have a great day.